If a customer opens your chat widget at 2 a.m. and gets total silence, you have a trigger problem. Zendesk messaging triggers let you automate greetings, wait alerts, email collection, and routing before any agent touches the keyboard. This guide shows you exactly how to set them up. Messaging triggers are business rules that fire the moment a customer starts or interacts with a conversation. Unlike ticket triggers, which run after a ticket exists, messaging triggers catch the conversation first. And unlike automations that run on a timer, these fire instantly the second conditions are met. Every trigger starts with a firing event. There are 4 options: when a customer requests a conversation, when they send a message, when the conversation enters the queue, and when it gets assigned from the queue. Each maps to a specific moment in the customer journey, and getting the right one matters. Conditions determine when the trigger actually fires. You can check across 6 categories: date and time, customer information, location and device, online status, conversation data, and the newest addition, session state. Stack conditions with all or any logic to target exactly the right scenario. In January 2025, Zendesk added session state conditions. Active means the customer is engaging right now. Inactive fires after roughly 10 minutes of no activity, useful for pausing SLAs and releasing agent capacity. Ended fires when the agent closes the session. These 3 states let you manage workload in ways that were not possible before. When conditions match, actions execute. You can send a message, insert a wait delay, request the customer's email, set a triggered flag, add or remove ticket tags, or suspend a user. One critical rule: if you need triggers to fire in order, add a wait action of at least 1 second between them. Without it, they run simultaneously. Start in Admin Center, click Objects and Rules in the left sidebar, then go to Business Rules and select Messaging Triggers. Only admins can access this page. Even agents with custom roles that include trigger management cannot get in here. Click Create Trigger. Give it a name that other admins will understand at a glance. Something like Welcome, Business Hours, or Queue Alert, High Volume. Choose your channels. Web Widget is included by default. Check Activate if you want it live immediately, and run once per ticket if it should only fire on first match. Use the Run Trigger dropdown to pick your firing event, then build your conditions. Choose whether the trigger needs all conditions to match, or any single one. For each condition, select the field, the operator, is, contains, rejects, and more, and the value. Only conditions supported by all your selected channels appear here. Add at least 1 action. If you're using multiple, order them intentionally and insert a wait action before any that need to run second. Placeholders like all customer name and await time min pull in live data at fire time. Note: wait time. Placeholders only work for groups that routed a ticket in the last 7 days. Placeholders make trigger messages feel personal without any manual work. Use customer name for a personalized greeting, wait time at min, and wait time at max for honest queue estimates. bot name to reference your AI agent by name, and queue size to give customers real context on demand. Every placeholder resolves at the exact moment the trigger fires. Rule-based triggers have a ceiling. They cannot understand context or intent, require a separate trigger for every language, and complex scenarios mean multiple rules that can conflict. Eesel AI works differently. It learns from your help center, past tickets, and documentation, then handles varied requests in 80+ languages without a single condition to configure. If building and maintaining trigger logic is slowing your team down, eesel AI handles all of that automatically. Connect to Zendesk in 1 click, train on your existing content, and go live in minutes. Try it free at eesel.ai, no credit card required,